that is from, I don't know who it's from. Open it, see.
What is it?
Stop. Hoverboard. Hoverboard.
Oh, okay. I saw those on TV.
That's gonna be cool.
Whoa.
Look at that thing.
It's huge.
Too bad you can't ride it because you got that hurt leg.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Buddy will ride it.
I'll ride it.
Yeah, can I borrow it from you?
I know, also Josh and Danny are going to be on it today.
What do you got?
Whoa!
Wow, a dinosaur
Oh,
head.
Jurassic Park.
Oh, you put it on your hand and go. Rawr.
I put it on my hand.
Yes.
Like this.
Rawr. Rawr. That's cool.
There it is.
Need help getting it out?
All right.
You got some pretty